Smith Corona Silent Super. This is a great little machine. Very portable. Has some nice, I don't know what you call them, racing stripes on it. Different. This particular one has this kind of a matte textured feel to it, and it's green. I got this from somebody that didn't know how to use it, thought it wouldn't work. It actually didn't work at the time, but a minor fix, and it was ready to go. When I first looked at this, I thought it didn't look like much, but after pushing down on the keys, typing with it a little while, I found that the finger strength needed to use this is much less than many of the others. Of course, you can set it for different ones, and you can set, of course, the ink if you had a two-color ribbon. But what I've noticed overall is that it has such a nice feel to it. It's easy to hit them and easy to bang things out. So what I'm going to do is put some paper in. I've been using this a little bit already, and it goes in quite easily, fairly straight, fairly easily. And what we're going to do is see about making mistakes with it. Do I do more or less? It is really easy to type on this. And you can see it's not even that loud. When it says Silent Super, it's definitely a lot quieter than something like a standard typewriter. Does it allow me to focus? Because it is easy to type on, because it's easy to feed and to pull it out, and I make fewer mistakes, I think, on this than I do in others. In fact, one of the cool things that I learned when I first started typing is that every stroke counts. On a computer, you can backspace easily, but on these typewriters, I got used to making few, if no, mistakes. I think my record was about 49 words a minute with no mistakes. For me, that was quite a feat. So does it help me flow? It definitely does. I like the sound of it. It's not too loud. I like the feel of it, of the keys, and it is quite portable. If I had to do anything, I would probably replace these or put something on these rubber feet to make it so it didn't slide around so much. But other than that, this is a great machine. I think I'll type on it using what I call the bug view.